How to add multiple audio in Instagram Reels. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to add multiple audio in Instagram Reels. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, go ahead and launch Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now you need to simply tap on plus button at bottom center of the screen to access Reel. Now tap on the reel icon at bottom of the screen, and then you can easily record any video that you wish to add multiple audio on, or either you can also upload using the uploads icon at bottom left corner of the screen. So for now, let me record any video. And once you have done that, you need to select the next button at bottom right corner of the screen. And now here is the music icon at bottom left corner of the screen. You can simply tap on it. For now, you can choose any one of the music that you would like to. So you need to be aware that currently there is no such features available on Instagram that provide you the facility to add multiple audio in Instagram Reels. But instead, you can use different kinds of editing app like CapCut and other. And using CapCut and other editing application, you can simply add multiple audio there. And once you export the video, you can add it on your Instagram Reel. Once your read with multiple audio is ready, you can easily write a caption, tag people, add location, and select your audience, and tap the next button in order to post on your Instagram. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.